Hey guys, it's me Kelly and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look. It's like a sunset eye half cut crease, and keep on watching. Sorry my hair's like this. I just took a shower and I have to do this to my hair to keep my perm curly. So yeah. First, we're using primer. And then I'm gonna go do my brows off camera and be right back. I'm back, my eyebrows are complete, so now let's move on to the eyes. Just zoom in. First I'm going in with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. For this eyeshadow we're going to be using the James Charles palette. First I'm going to get the Morphe E36 and go in with this shade. I'm going to put this shade in my crease. Next, I'm getting a Morphe M506 in this orange shade. Always tap off the excess. I'm going to get that and blend out what we just put down. I'm going to pick up more of the first shade on the same brush and blend it more. I'm extending the shadow a little bit more outwards by using circular motions and just dragging it out a bit. Next I'm going to use a lighter orange shade with the same brush. I'm going to blend that on top of the orange we just put down. I'm being very careful and going super lightly with this color. And now we're going to get the same brush and use a touch of yellow. We're going to blend this on top of the other light orange. Now I'm getting the M514 and going into the light pink. We're going to use this shade all over the eyes just to smooth it out. Now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fairlight Neutral 16N on this Morphe 421 brush. And I'm going to cut my crease. We're going to get some of it on our brush, coat it really well. This is how I do cut creases. I look straight and then I made an indication on where the crease should be. And then I just drag it down and fill it out. Now that the cut crease is done, I'm going to get the same brush that we used the pink shade on into this neutral shade and cover the concealer. Now we're getting that first brush in the same color that we used it with and I'm going to blend out the edges of the concealer. Now I'm getting the Morphe M213 and picking up the light pink shade and just patting that on the rest of the concealer. Now I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma, and I'm going to put this on my cut crease. And use this brush to blend. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and be right back. I'm back, both eyes are done, well the tops of them at least, and I'm going to do my face now. So first I'm getting my Tarte Shape Tape Foundation in Light Sand and a wet beauty blender. Now I'm getting my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and concealing the under eyes. I'm using that leftover concealer on my beauty blender to brighten up my forehead and chin. I'm getting the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder and Dim Light on this Morphe Big Face Brush. It doesn't have a number. And just going all over my face. Next, I'm getting the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder and baking my under eyes. Now I'm getting my Hoola bronzer and bronzing my face. I'm gonna use this brush. Doesn't have a number. And then I'm going to get this fan brush and contouring my forehead. Now I'm getting that same powder and sharpening up my contour. I'm using this brush to wipe off my bake. I'm reusing this brush from before and getting this color and doing my lower lash line. I'm getting this brush now and going into the light orange shade and blending that out. And then I'm getting the light pink shade and blending it out further. For blush, I'm using the Flower Beauty blush in the shade Peach Primrose. I'm getting this fat, fluffy brush and just tapping my cheeks. For highlighter, I have the Ofra Beauty Star Island highlighter, and I'm getting the Sephora Pro Highlight Illuminator 98 brush. Now I'm using the Roller Lash Mascara, and I'm going to put on Lily Lashes Miami, and be right back. I'm back, my lashes are on, and now I'm going to highlight my nose, my inner corners, my brow bone. I'm taking the Morphe 515 brush and highlighting my inner corners with the same Ofra highlighter. I'm using the same brush to highlight my brow bone and my nose. For lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in Nude. And I'm putting Ofra Sao Paulo on the center of my lips. And I'm topping it with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And now I'm spraying my face with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!